How to fix Zangi message delay. Is your Zangi app taking a while to send or receive the messages? It can be frustrating when communication is slow. Let's look at the few things that often cause this and how you can fix them. First, the most common culprit, your internet connection. Are you on the stable Wi-Fi or mobile data? Sometimes a weak signals means messages just can't go through it quickly. Just switching between Wi-Fi and data or even restarting your router if you are on the Wi-Fi and see that helps. A quick check of your signal strength is a good start. Another thing to look at is how the Zangi is allowed to run in the background. Your phone might be restricting data usage for apps. When you are not actively using it, you will need to go into your phone settings and find Zangi onto the apps and check its data uses or battery optimization setting. Let's go to the app info. Here you can see app info and there's mobile data and Wi-Fi. Let's tap on it. So the background data is on, so that means it's working. So enable uses of the mobile data in the background. So it have enabled uses of data in the background, so that doesn't restrict our messages. But there's unrestricted data uses, allow unrestricted data access when the internet server is on. So that is off. It's favorable for me, and so if you want it, simply toggle it on. Sometimes all data is stored by the app called cache can slow things down. Clearing the cache can clean things up. You can usually do this from the same app setting page for the Zangi. Let's go back, and here you can see an option for storage and cache. Simply tap on it, and here you can see an option called clear cache. Simply tap on it and it's done. Also, are you using the latest version of Zangi app? Outdated apps can sometimes have bugs that affect the performance, including the message delivery. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and see if there's an update available. Finally, a classic fix for many phone issues: try restarting your phone entirely. It can often resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting the app performance. Give these steps a try. Hopefully, one of these gets your Zangi messages arriving right on the time again. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.